Samsung fans, it's official! One UI 8 based on Android 16 is rolling out. And in this video, I'm giving you the full list of eligible Samsung phones and tablets, along with some juicy new features you won't want to miss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung updates. Let's start with the phones. These are the confirmed and expected devices to get One UI 8 Galaxy S series, Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra. Getting it first with stable update already rolling out. Galaxy S24 and S23 series internal builds are in testing now. Galaxy Z series, Z Fold 7, Fold 6, Fold 5, Z Flip 7, Flip 6, Flip 5. Yes, the foldables are definitely in. Galaxy A series, Galaxy A56, A55, A36, A35. Most A series models released in 2023 and 2024 will be eligible. M and F series, M55, F55, and select M series models, especially those released with Android 14 or newer. Now for the tablets, Samsung's big screens are in for a treat. Galaxy Tab S series, Tab S10 Ultra, S10 Plus, and S10 FE, Tab S9 Ultra, S9 Plus, S9, and both S9 FE models. Tab A series, Tab A9 and A9 Plus, great news for budget users. Expect AI-powered multitasking, smoother animations, and a better DeX experience across high-end models. Some new features to look out for in One UI 8 include a redesigned quick panel, smart lock screen widgets, live call captioning, smarter wallpaper and color suggestions, better battery health tools, and on top of all that, enhanced privacy, animations, and AI optimizations baked in. That's the full list of eligible Samsung devices for One UI 8. Are you on the list? Drop your phone model in the comments and I'll let you know if or when you're getting the update. Subscribe for rollout dates, feature deep dives, and hands-on tests coming soon.